Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's class. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fit and fine in your homes and you all are taking care of yourself. Dear students, it is very important that while you are in your homes, you stay positive about everything. You should stay positive because if you will not be positive, it will impact your mental state and you will find difficult to do everyday things. Dear students, if you don't feel positive about things, then please try talking to your friends. You can talk to your friends as well as you can watch motivational videos and you can also read books. They are also a very good source of motivation. Now, dear students, in today's class, once again we will be reading the chapter The Last Leaf, which has been written by O. Henry. It is an amazing story. I think all of you must be feeling this by now. What has happened in the story up to now? There are two friends, Sue and Johnsy. Okay, so Johnsy, she is very ill, and the doctor tells her friend Sue that why she is not recovering even with the medicines because she is not willing to recover. Okay, her body is not responding to the medicines. Okay, so there was a vine creeper which was growing on a wall, and when Johnsy saw that vine creeper, she said, "When the last leaf will fall, I will die." So when Sue heard this, Sue told Johnsy not to think like that, and she tried to motivate Johnsy. Okay, she even started whistling while she was painting. So, and she asked Johnsy to sleep. So then Johnsy went to sleep and she discussed the same thing with a Mr. Behrman. Mr. Behrman, when he heard about how Johnsy is behaving, he also said that it was quite stupid. Okay, he also felt like this. So then she kept on sleeping, and Sue, she did her work. Okay, whatever she was doing, she was painting, so she did that. Okay, so this is what has happened in the story up to now. Now let's read forward and find out more about the last leaf. All of you please open your book Moments and please come to chapter number 7, The Last Leaf, and open page number 46. Okay, Johnsy woke up next morning. In a feeble voice, she asked Sue to draw the curtains. So, feeble means weak. In a very weak voice, she asked Johnsy asked Sue to draw the curtains. Draw the curtains हम तब भी यूज करते हैं जब curtains को हम इकट्ठे करते हैं, एक साथ लेकर आते हैं. ड्रॉ द कर्टेन्स हम तब भी यूज करते हैं जब हम उन्हें सेपरेट करते हैं, ओपन करते हैं. ठीक है. सो जॉन्सी asked you to draw the curtains. अब उसका इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पे था? Why she asked? Because of the last leaf. Okay, she was very much concerned about the last leaf. Sue was nervous. She drew back the curtains very reluctantly. Reluctantly means कि ना चाहते हुए. Okay, उसकी मर्जी नहीं थी, उसका मन नहीं था. Okay, unwillingly. Okay, she was very much unwilling. So, "Oh," Sue exclaimed as she looked at the vine creeper. Look, there is still one leaf left on the creeper. और जैसे उसने देखा, सू ने देखा, तो सू ने काफी एक्सक्लेम किया विद हैप्पीनेस, ओके, बहुत ही खुशी से उसने एक्सक्लेम किया कि सी देयर इज वन लीफ व्हिच इज स्टिल लेफ्ट ऑन द क्रीपर. इट लुक्स क्वाइट ग्रीन एंड हेल्दी, ओके, बहुत ही ग्रीन और हेल्दी लग रहा है. In spite of the storm and the fierce winds, it didn't fall. So storm आ गया था, fierce winds थी. Fierce means with a lot of force. वो बहुत ही force के साथ जो wind चल रही थी, उसके बाद भी it didn't fall. It stayed put. It stayed in its exact condition. All right. I heard the wind last night, said Johnsy. I thought it would have fallen. It will surely fall today. Then I will die. So Johnsy was like, yes, I heard the winds. Okay, बहुत ही fast wind चल रही थी, and I was able to hear them. And I thought the last wind, it would have fallen. The last leaf, it would have fallen for sure. बिल्कुल 100% वो गिर गया होगा. ओके, बट क्या वो गिरा? नो, इट डिडंट फॉल. बट अब वो कह रही है कि जब भी अब गिरेगा देन आई विल डाई. अगेन शी इज बीइंग सो मच पेसिमिस्टिक. ओके, पेसिमिस्ट हम बोलते हैं जो हर चीज के बारे में नेगेटिव सोचता है. तो शी इज बीइंग पेसिमिस्ट एंड शी इज वेरी मच बीइंग नेगेटिव. ओके, सो नाउ शी इज अगेन थिंकिंग दैट नाउ आई विल die. You won't die, said Sue energetically. You have to live for your friends. What would happen to me if you die? So Sue ने उसको बहुत ही समझाया कि नहीं, you have to, अब तुम्हें अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए जीना है. She has given her a goal, a aim, something, a mission to live for. Johnsy smiled weakly and closed her eyes. After every hour or so, she would look out of the window and find the leaf still there. It seemed to be clinging to the creeper. So, उसे ये लगा कि ये जो है विंड है वो गिरा देगी, लेकिन लीफ जो है गिरा नहीं. जॉन्सी जो सोच रही थी कि गिरेगा और देन आई विल डाई, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. इट वॉज क्लिंगिंग. ओके, ऐसा लगता है वो क्लिंगिंग कर रहा था. क्लिंगिंग मीन्स टू होल्ड ऑन टाइटली, कि उसने बहुत टाइटली पकड़ा हुआ है उस क्रीपर को. In the evening there was another storm, but the leaf did not fall. Johnsy lay for a long time looking at the leaf. Then she called out to Sue. So उसने ना काफी देर देखा. ओके, वो देखती रही और स्टॉर्म आने के बाद भी वो लीफ जो था वो नहीं गिरा. ओके, Then she called out Sue. उसने सू को बुलाया कुछ बात करने के लिए. I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly and I have not cooperated with you. So बताइए कि yes, I behaved like a bad girl. Okay, मेरा behavior अच्छा नहीं था. And you have looked after me means तुमने मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा care करी है. Okay, so lovingly. और मैंने तुम्हारे साथ cooperate नहीं किया. I have been depressed and gloomy. So now she is accepting the fact that she was depressed and she was gloomy. Gloomy means sad. Okay. The last leaf has shown me how wicked I have been. So last leaf से उसे क्या पता चला? She has been very much wicked. Wicked means morally bad. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. So मुझे realize हो गया कि हाँ, अगर मैं ये एक hope करती हूँ कि I want to die, then it's a sin. Sin means पाप. Sue hugged Johnsy. Then she gave her lots of hot soup and a mirror. Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly. So see, now she hugged Johnsy. उसने गले लगा लिया. Okay, because this is what she wanted to hear. वो चाहती थी दैट जॉन्सी के अंदर एक डिजायर आए ठीक होने की. ओके, इन द आफ्टरनून द डॉक्टर केम. आफ्टर एग्जामिनिंग हिज पेशेंट ही टोल्ड सू, Johnsy now has the will to live. So आफ्टरनून में कौन आया? डॉक्टर. एंड ही एग्जामिन. डॉक्टर्स चेकअप करते हैं ना, एग्जामिनिंग मीन्स चेक करना. ओके. He told Sue, Johnsy now has the will to live. Will to live means desire to live. ओके. उसके अंदर एक इच्छा है जीने की. ओके. वो जीना चाहती है अब. I am confident. So now the doctor is explaining that Johnsy has a desire to live. Now I must go downstairs and see Behrman. He is also suffering from pneumonia, but I am afraid there is no hope for him. So जो मिस्टर बेहरमान थे जिनके साथ डिस्कस किया था सू ने जॉन्सी के केस को, जॉन्सी की कंडीशन को, सो उनको भी अब निमोनिया हो गया है. ओके. एंड द डॉक्टर ही फील्स देयर इज नो होप फॉर हिम. ओके. सो यहां पे जो अफ्रेड बोला है, बट आई एम अफ्रेड, ये पोलाइटनेस के वे में बोला है. ओके. पोलाइटली बोला है उन्हें, वो एक्चुअली में अफ्रेड नहीं है, वो डरे नहीं हुए हैं, ये पोलाइटनेस के वे में बोला है उन्होंने. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग Sue came and sat on Johnson's bed. Okay, Sue next morning, maybe she might have something to tell. Taking Johnson's hand in hers, she said, I have something to tell you. So उसने कहा कि she has something she would like to tell her. Okay. Mr. Behrman died of pneumonia this morning. He was ill for only 2 days. So उसने एक बहुत शॉकिंग न्यूज दी है जॉन्सी को कि जो मिस्टर बेहरमान थे, he has died now. Okay, he has died now. Why he has died? Because of pneumonia. Okay, he had pneumonia and now he has died. He was ill for only 2 days. सो ज्यादा दिन बीमार भी नहीं रहे, वो सिर्फ 2 ही दिन बीमार रहे. द फर्स्ट डे द जैनिटर फाउंड हिम ऑन हिज बेड. सो फर्स्ट डे जैनिटर जो होता है, जो एक केयर टेकर होता है बिल्डिंग का, उन्हें वो मिले. ओके. सो जैनिटर जो केयर टेकर था उसको वो मिले एंड ही फाउंड हिम. हिज क्लोथ्स एंड शूज वर वेट एंड ही वाज शिवरिंग. ओके. सो वो बहुत ही ज्यादा भीगे हुए थे एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट क्लोथ्स भी वेट थे और शूज भी वेट थे. एंड ही वाज शिवरिंग. शिवरिंग मीन्स कांपना, ठंड से कांपते हैं ना, सो वो कांप रहे थे. He had been out in that stormy night. सो वो जो नाइट थी जिसमें इतना तूफान आ रहा था, he had been out in that night. ओके. वो उस नाइट में बाहर थे इतनी सब होने के बाद भी. ओके. Then they found a ladder and a lantern still lighted lying near his bed. तो उसके बाद उन्हें क्या मिला? एक लैडर भी मिली. ओके. सीढ़ी और एक लैंटर्न. लैंटर्न क्या होती है? लालटेन, जिससे जो आपने पुराने टाइम्स में जो यूज होती थी, जिसमें विक और ऑयल लगा के उसे जलाते थे, वो. They were also lying near his bed. There were also some brushes and green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. और क्या क्या मिला? ब्रशेस थी, ग्रीन एंड येलो पेंट्स ऑन द फ्लोर नियर द लैडर. सो पेंट, ग्रीन और येलो पेंट्स भी मिले. जॉन्सी डियर सेड सू, लुक आउट ऑफ द विंडो. सुजू ने कहा कि जॉन्सी लुक आउट ऑफ द विंडो, विंडो के बाहर देखो. लुक एट दैट आईवी लीफ. वो जो आईवी लीफ है उसको देखो. Haven't you wondered why it doesn't flutter when the wind blows? So उसने कहा कि तुम ये सोचती नहीं, डोंट यू वंडर कि ये जो आईवी लीफ है ये फ्लटर नहीं करता. फ्लटर मीन्स टू मूव क्विकली. ओके. ये फ्लटर क्यों नहीं करता है, हिलता क्यों नहीं है? जब हवा चल रही है तो लॉजिकली पत्ते को हिलना चाहिए, ओके, उसे मूव करना चाहिए, बट दैट लीफ इट डजंट फ्लटर, वो हिलता ही नहीं है, ओके, वो वैसे का वैसे ही रहता है। दैट इज बेहरमान्स मास्टरपीस। ये क्या है? ये बेहरमान का मास्टरपीस है, ओके, जो उसका ड्रीम था लाइफ लॉन्ग कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा पेंट करना है, ये वो है। He painted it the night the last leaf fell. So उसने इसे कब पेंट किया? जब वो लास्ट लीफ गिरा था तब पेंट किया, ओके, लास्ट लीफ गिर गया, लास्ट लीफ के बाद फिर उसने क्या पेंट किया? ये पत्ता पेंट किया बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड जॉन्सी टू लिव, ओके, सो दैट वॉज द लास्ट लीफ। बेहरमान का मास्टरपीस वॉज द लास्ट लीफ, ओके। So dear students, I hope that all of you have enjoyed this chapter, and now we have finished the reading of this chapter, and quickly we will get to the question answers. But before you write the question answers, dear students, please remember that you have to write the word meanings given in the NCERT book, okay, जितने भी word meanings के हैं NCERT में, all those you have to write in your notebook as well, okay. So let's get to the question answers now. Think about it. So these questions you have to answer in 30 to 50 words, not more than that. Question first, what is Johnson's illness? We all know that it was the disease of pneumonia. What can cure her, the medicine or the willingness to live? In this question, beta, you can either choose one of them or you can choose both as well, but whatever you write, the reason you give, that should be correct. I'm always telling you that in opinion based questions you get marks for giving the right reason, not the right answer, okay. Do you think the feeling of depression Johnsy has is common among teenagers? Yes, I think so. It is my opinion. Again, if you have a different opinion, you can write that, beta. But I think this feeling is common because teenagers, they get stressed, they get troubled, and then they get depressed. Behrman has a dream. What is it? The masterpiece. Okay, he wanted to paint a masterpiece. That was his lifelong dream. Does it come true? Yes, it came true. How it came true? Please tell that, okay, please tell that also in this question, okay. What did he paint? And no need to give the reason, but at least tell what did he paint. Last question, what is Behrman's masterpiece? We all know what is Behrman's masterpiece. If you haven't understood till now, it was out of the window and it was not at all fluttering, okay. That was Behrman's masterpiece. What makes Sue say so? Why did Sue call whatever that was out of the window, whatever that was on the vine creeper, the masterpiece of Behrman? Why she called it masterpiece? I think because it helped Johnsy live, right? It gave Johnsy the motivation to live. Behrman must have known that, you know, if the leaf would not fall, then Johnsy, she's gonna try to live, okay. So dear students, now we have done the question answers as well. If you have any doubts in the chapter or in the question answers, please feel free to ask, okay. You can send me a message, give me a call, or ask in the Kaizala group, okay. So dear students, that's your lesson for today. Thank you and have a nice day.